Good afternoon, this is Jack from theartofchart.net, and this is the intraday video for Friday the 9th of February. Our disclaimer, we do this for educational purposes only. We're here to share our technical analysis with you. We hope you can take some of what we're doing and learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. We're not here to issue trading signals. Right, this is something just covering on SPX. On Chart Chat on Sunday, I was talking about, and Wednesday, I think. So I was talking about the obvious targets. That must have been Wednesday. So I was talking about the obvious targets on SPX for the move down, and I was talking about this area here, and this is where the low has been today. This is the rising support trend line from the February 2016 low, and it is the major support trend line on the SPX. We've hit it. I noted that it was just below the 200 DMA at 25.38, and we've come down and we've hit 25.32. This is an obvious level for a bounce, and it may be that we're going to see a bounce. And actually, we've already seen a pretty strong bounce. Now, that's not surprising. We've got a lot of people just sitting there, waiting for the retest, waiting for the 200 DMA test, and waiting to buy. Having a bounce here isn't unexpected. I would note that we could have a ripper here potentially. We've got a possible 60-minute buy signal brewing. Have I got a trend line here? Hang on, let me just check. Let's see. Yep, I've got a potential wedge support trend line here, although we haven't actually quite reached it, I don't think. But I mean, this is an obvious level to see a bounce. We are seeing a bounce. Is the low end for today? I don't know. I didn't take the long. I took the short up here and I cashed it when we reached my target, which we just reached. But I don't like fighting trend days. I have bad memories of fighting trend days. It's generally a bad idea to fight a trend day. And this has been a trend day so far. Maybe that's ending now. But I'm not expecting a big V. I'm not expecting a major low here. We are expecting this to go lower afterwards. But let's see how the other indices are looking. Let's have a look at NQ. NQ has also got a possible 60-minute buy signal brewing. We've obviously gone noticeably below. Could this still be a potential double bottom? Yeah, it could. Is this likely to be the retracement low? No, we don't think so. But it could be. Not ruling it out. Not ruling anything out. So have we got a decent trend line established at this low? Let's have a look. I'll have to go with no. Doesn't mean just because we haven't got an anchor here doesn't mean we can't make a low here. But as it is, I don't think we're going to make a low here anyway. I'm thinking we're going to see a rally. Could be a fast, hard rally. Bear market rallies often are. And then while I'm not thinking this is a bear market, I think thinking this is a bear move. Obviously. So we could see a fast and hard rally here. I'd be looking for resistance. I'd be looking for resistance certainly below the last high. We shall see. If we get below here, above here, I'd be looking at potential resistance, declining resistance, which is currently slightly under 6,500. The equivalent level on ES is now in about the 26.37 area. Am I thinking we're going to bounce there? Not necessarily at all. But I was expecting to see a rally here. I don't know how long it's going to last. I'm expecting it not to last long enough to preserve the 200 DMA for that long. That could be days. It could be hours. So we could. I could easily see us going back through it today. We shall see. We're not expecting it to hold long. TF has just about made it to the head and shoulder target. Am I expecting it to stop there? No, I'm expecting it to retest this low here. Which it hasn't done yet. That's still on a weak 60-minute buy signal. That's not likely to fail, but I'm not really taking it particularly seriously at this stage. Right, DX.